Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Thanks for stopping by. I want to welcome all my new subbies. It's so exciting to see my channel grow and to meet new friends and see new talent and learn new things. It is so amazing and I'm so excited for it. I just wanted to come on and share really quickly entry I'm doing in Heather's Handmade Heaven. That's her YouTube name here on the tube. That's her channel name. She is hosting a New Year's Subbie Celebration Challenge, and the challenge opened on the 1st of January and closes on February 1st. So you still probably have about a week if you hurry. She does give you lots of options to send things in, and the theme is whatever brings you joy. So maybe you have stuff you can just top off and package up and get your entry into her. Her information will be in the description link below that I leave, and it'll go directly to the video that describes her challenge if you have any questions. So this is my entry I'm sending her. Like I said, you can send her an array of things. So this is it. I am sending her, I'm fairly new to her channel, so I am sending her this MEMORYDEX. Sorry if, you know, the crinkling. But I did make this doily and a crepe paper rosette. I just used a cutout from the paper pad where all this paper is from, and it is this one here, which was a Michael's Hot Buy, and I topped it with a bow I got from AliExpress, and then a bow jemmy, and then these metal roses as well. So yeah, I like the way it came out, pretty simple. And then in the back, it just has my information. So this is this, and then I just added real simple bag topper, folded the paper in half. I had a bow from my stash that was already embellished with this rhinestone gemmy. Okay, so that, and then I have, like, I need to get rid of stuff. I have so much stuff, like, you wouldn't even believe. So, I need to start getting rid of stuff, and I have lots of stuff already cut out that I'm not even using, so I'm going to share this. I cut out a whole bunch of words that say dream, and then a few of these bicycles. And I did do the topper as well with a rosette and a crepe paper heart rosette, and then some of the die cuts again from the paper pad, and I added these foam flowers I got from AliExpress. Same with the topper, I just folded the paper in half. Yeah, so simple, easy. And then I made her a is this called an embellishment box? I don't know. It's a book. Embellishment book. Let me zoom out a little. Okay. Embellishment book. So I used chipboard for the base, and I just covered it with these papers I got from the paper pad. So I like how it came out. I did add this lace trim on the base of the spine and on the inside of the spine, as well as this ruffle trim. And then I added these rhinestones just on the outside. And then, you know, I had to finish the trim on the other side, so I just added a strip of paper. But yeah, and then it's blank on the back. I did add, you know, by Makaz Home. Okay, so you open it up, and I have a card for her. So you can see the lace on the inside and that ruffle trim. Really, I had to do this because honestly, I creased the paper and I didn't like how it looked on the folds. So this was just a way to distract from it and cover it up. Thanks. But there's these pockets with the gussets on the side. It did follow someone's tutorial. It is Tamika at Scrap the World, and I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description below. And if you have any questions about it, I can surely answer them. So I'm just adding a few goodies. I don't want to take this stuff out just because something's got to be a surprise. So yeah. Those are the things. It's tight squeeze in there. And then this here is a box that opens. And then I have stuff in there for her. She can share that if she wants to. And all this paper, like I said, is from that paper pad, the Michael's Hot Buy paper pad. But yeah. So let me know what you think. And they're really easy to put together. Like, you gotta see my chicken scratch notes. Maybe. These are my notes. Oh, that's what it's called. Embellishment book box. And I used 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11 color cardstock. And then the rest were just, you know, pieces from the pad. But I don't even know if I followed my directions. Anyways, I appreciate you guys being here today, and again, welcome to all my new subbies. I'm glad that you've decided to join us, and I hope that you continue to stay and find inspiration here on this channel. And hope you guys are having a great weekend, or start of the weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Shakas!